Have you ever wondered how much money you can earn as an IB with a broker? Well, I'm going to break that down for you in this video, and I'm going to show you exactly what the average earning potential is for anyone who joins myself with my partner broker as an IB. So without further ado, let's jump into the spreadsheet and I'll break down the numbers for you. Here's a spreadsheet I created to help break down what the estimated monthly and annual income is as an IB. So let's fill out some of these fields here. We're going to fill out these, and then at the end, we're going to get a number to show you the estimate number. Okay, so a number of clients. We need to put in there the number of clients you have. As an IB, if you're brand new to this, you're probably expected to get around about 10 to 15 as a beginner clients in your first few months. So I'm just going to be conservative. I'm just going to put 10 clients in there. So I want you guys to reach your 10 first clients as quickly as possible when you become an IB, because this is where you start earning some good money. So average deposit per client, from my experience and experience of others, the average deposit does seem to be around £1,000 at the moment, or $1,000. So we got here. So I put $1,000 in there. And then if we work our way down the list, we don't have to worry about the average risk. That's not going to affect it. The average lot size per trade. What I've experienced is even people with an average account size of $1,000, the average lot size they trade is 0.1. And that is often encouraged as well in many different communities. If you've got $1,000 in your account, you want to trade 0.1 lots. Average trades per day. My clients come in and I plug them into a platform called Pro Trader, and we are an educational platform and a signal provider. And we average around about 20 signals in a day. And I don't expect my client to take every single one of those trades. So I'm going to put in there maybe around about 15 trades a day. If they follow in the signals all day, they're going to get around about 50. They're probably going to catch around about 15 of those trades. Trading days in a month, 20. Some months those 21. We're going to keep it as 20. Commission earned per lot. If you become an IB with myself, I will give you $10 per lot to start off with. This is your starting number. And then this is where we start to see the numbers. I got the active client rate there as 70%. So this is just assuming that 70% of your clients are active and taking these trades. So we've been quite conservative here. So yeah, we scroll down and we'll see here the monthly commission. We're looking at £1,583 and our annual commission of just over £19,000 in a year. But that is beginner numbers. That is completely beginner numbers. So we can actually step this up a little bit. So let's say you've got another 5 clients. If you join with me, if you come an IB with me, my first target for you is 10 clients. Once you get above 10 clients, we can look at increasing the dollar per lot that you earn. So let's say you've got 15 clients now. And now I've increased the commission that you earn from $10 per lot. We've increased that to $15 per lot. Now this is where the numbers change. All the other numbers stay the same. The active client rate on about 70%. Now your estimated monthly income now jumps up to £3,563, with your yearly income estimate at around £42,700. Now, you tell me, is that good or is that bad? I mean, for just 15 clients and having 70% of those clients active taking these trades, that is a pretty decent income. It just shows you how easy it is to make this kind of money as an IB. I can just keep on going with this really and keep changing these numbers. We can have a look around. Let's say you're really good at this. You have a large following and you want to promote the Pro Trader platform or just become an IB and give your own services. If you come on as an IB with me, I said you start with $10 per lot and then we'll increase that as your numbers grow. So let's say you have a big following. Let's say you bring in 50 people, keep all the numbers the same. So these numbers jump up. So your estimated monthly income is now 11,878 in a month. and your annual income would be 142,537. Um, and again, 50 if you got a following, if you're an influencer or you've got a big following on your social medias in the trading space, 50 is quite a conservative number, so that can go up again. So yeah, those are the numbers you can expect to earn as an IB. So if you're interested in becoming an IB and jumping on board with myself and earning this kind of money, is not guaranteed, but this just shows you an estimate of the average of how much you can earn with a number of clients and the number of per lot. If you're interested in that, I'll leave a link down below. You can get in touch with me. You can sign up directly with my broker and start building. But if you want to connect with me and start building this properly, I'll leave a link below on how to do that as well. So yeah, I'll look forward to chatting to you guys soon, and I'm excited to have you on board. I'll see you in the next video.